Hey everyone, Jim Foltz here with Copeland, wanting to talk to you about the number one heartburn issue of a TXV. A TXV has a very small needle in it, and that needle can get easily plugged. And what happens is when a TXV is installed and the line is brazed, the copper tubing gets so hot that the inside of the copper tubing flakes, and those little black flakes will go right in here and plug this thing instantly right before it ever gets the chance to properly operate. Even though there's a filter dryer, the import of the TXV has the ability to do that. You're pulling out dry nitrogen to do a pressure test as soon as you have the system together. Make it a practice to pull that nitrogen out 15 minutes early, hook it up to the lines, and then while you're brazing, allow 5 psi dry nitrogen to flow through, preventing oxygen on the inside from creating that black flakes and helping you successfully install a TXV every time.